In this video, I'll show you how to connect your LG Smart TV with any Bluetooth soundbar. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that the soundbar you're trying to pair with your LG TV is turned on. And once it's turned on, put your soundbar into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, depending on the model, it's always a bit different. Over here on this one, I have a Bluetooth button on the remote control, but some soundbars will have a Bluetooth button on them on the top, where you need to keep it pressed until the pairing mode starts. Then on your LG TV, you're gonna take the remote control is to press the settings button. This button on the top right corner over here. This one, it's a cogwheel. Once the settings appeared, sometimes on the left side, sometimes on the right side, you're gonna go down until you see all settings. Press OK. Then go down and select sound. Once you're into the sound menu, you're gonna select sound out, press OK. And in this menu, you're going to select Use Wireless Speaker. Press OK. And then select Bluetooth device. Press again OK. Then you may have some Bluetooth devices already connected with your TV. If it's the case, you're going to see them right over there. I have my AirPods Pro connected. The TV will start searching for any Bluetooth devices around. You see over here. And if it's not finding your soundbar at this time, if you don't see the name of your soundbar appearing on this portion of the screen, it means that it's not in pairing mode. So what we need to do is to make sure again that the soundbar itself is in pairing mode. All right, my soundbar appeared. I can now press OK on my LG remote control. It says connecting. And now it says connected. I mean, my soundbar said connected. And over here, you're gonna see your soundbar being added in this device list. If your soundbar is not working, go ahead and press again the settings button. Go down, sound out. Whoops. Okay, after pressing the settings, go in sound out. And here you have Bluetooth device plus TV speaker. We want to select Bluetooth device, then select device list. Over here, speaker connection settings. Make sure that your soundbar is connected. If it says disconnect, you need to connect again manually. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.